Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 150 of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. This time we are building the second wheel, exactly the same as we did on the first wheel. We're just putting the inner piece on, keeping the rest of it safe for later. We're looking at Interstate 60 episodes of The Road. Bob Gale stuff, his directorial debut. Haven't heard of it. Don't know it. Got no interest in watching it. There we go. That's that. Grandma Lorraine. Yeah, that's the time traveling stuff. Next time. Oh, we've still got some stuff to do with the box. Adding more components to this. Right. Cables and connections. Is this connecting the box to the car? Maybe. I'm not entirely certain. But yeah, we should do that next time. But first of all, let's get this wheel built. Here we have exactly the same as last time. There's a pin and 2 holes lining up with the 3 holes on there. About there. No, yep, that's not rotating. That's that. 2 screws along that in place, and we're keeping the washer and the hubcap safe until we attach it to the car. But yeah, let's just get these 2 screws in there. Hold that together, and then we are almost done. We've obviously got 2 more of these wheels to build, as well as another stretch of the track to build. So yeah, it's feeling like the end is very, very close. So hopefully you're enjoying the build. Do let me know, and I shall see you very soon for more. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.